Hello everyone, I'm Rajarajeshwari. We have already seen in last class that is the general thing of reinforcement learning, and these are the structures we have seen in last lecture video. And the introduction is the basic, the agent learn to make a decisions in a dynamic environment to maximize a reward signal. That is, it's mainly used as a trial and error approach, and it receives the it takes the action and receives the feedback in the form of reward, that is penalties, that is positive or negative, which learns to improve its behavior over time. And the core concept is agent, environment, state, action, reward, policy, value function, q functions. With this and all we have already seen in last lecture video. And in that how it will works means it observes the current state, it receives a reward and transition to the new state, it updates its policy to maximize long-term rewards, and it chooses an action based on its policy. So this is the reinforcement learning model works. And the types we have already seen in last class itself. That is model free reinforcement learning, model based reinforcement learning, and value based, actor critic, and policy based reinforcement learning. So these and all we have already seen in last lecture video. And the real world applications are robotics, game playing, recommendation systems, finance, trading, and autonomous vehicles, and stock trading. So this is the basic real world examples of reinforcement learning. And the applications of reinforcement learning are business, gaming, recommendation systems, and science. So these are the major real world applications for reinforcement learning. In that reinforcement learning, in machine learning, we have to give the raw data to the model. That is model is called as an agent. It will select that state, it will select the algorithm for processing to give the best actions, and it will process on the virtual environment, and it will give the reward to the agent. So the output will be the whether it is positive or negative, and if any negative means it will give the penalty. That learns, it is mainly used to observe its desired outcome. So this is the basic process of reinforcement learning in machine learning. And in that we have a deep Q networks, that is combines Q learning with neural networks. It is used in playing games at human level. That is the diagram will explains the Q values of each actions. That is, for example, the Q learning formula is Q of x s by s comma a is implies Q of s comma a plus alpha into gamma plus gamma maximum Q of s comma a minus Q of s comma a. So this is the formula, and where the alpha is the learning rate, and gamma is the discount factor, and r is the reward, and s is the next state. So this is the process of Q learning. And the deep Q networks will combine with neural networks. It is mainly used for playing games at human level. So the main thing is the summary of the reinforcement learning is about learning to make decision through feedback, and it involves agent, action, states, and rewards. So it is mainly used in variety of intelligent systems, and the methods ranges from simple Q learning to complex deep reinforcement learning. So this is the summary of the reinforcement learning, and the process is mainly for Q learning based process which is mainly used for playing the human level. And this is the summary of the Q learning of reinforcement learning, which is to make decisions through feedback. So it involves agent, action, states and rewards. So it is mainly used in variety of intelligent systems. So this is the basic introductions and the examples of reinforcement learning. In next class we are going to see about next topic. Thank you.